Flippers, and welcome to another video. My name is Tasha, aka Miss Kiff, and if this is your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you are a returning viewer, thank you for watching and I really appreciate your subscription. So in today's video, I'm going to do a little Canva tutorial because I love Canva so much, and we're going to do how to make a YouTube banner. Okay, so this YouTube banner, I actually have to update mine, so this has come at a great time and I'm going to show you how to do that. If you want to know where to find Canva, the link is in the description below. This is an affiliate link, and this affiliate link helps me make more tutorials like this and everything else on my YouTube channel. It supports me. Okay, let's get into this. You want to do create a design with Canva and then custom size. So we want to go for 2560, make sure that's pixel, and 1440. Okay, the suggested actually over here is the YouTube channel art, so let's click that. Okay, so we need dimensions. So I've just found this template online. However, you can download it in the link in the description below. So what you want to do is this. You want to first ensure that you create, put the image on top of this blank canvas. Then we want to choose our background, which I'm going to go for, if we go to images, because this is what my brand really turned out to be. So let's just attach the contrast. So what I like to do first is actually, let's take another color. Let's go to elements. Let's get this shape. We're just going to map out this. Okay. Oh, we can give and take a little bit more there. So this is our background. Okay. So we're just going to leave this color a little bit of a gray. Okay. So my name, which is Miss Kiff, is my channel name. Okay, we change to the font that we want, which is Brittany, and we have some shading. And then we're going to have a text that says weekly episodes, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. Change this to our subtitle font. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little banner underneath this. Okay, so this one needs to change. Then we can space out the width slightly. So if we remove this, you can see how it looks. Okay, so now we need the little my logo, which I just put over here, and then we need a picture of me. So you go to the element here, the circle, and we have another circle element, which is this one over here. Okay, so now we just group this one, shift, hold, group. We find a little picture, which I like this one. So if we take this away, see how it looks? I think I'm going to change this background into this color. Okay, so I just basically adjusted it quickly the way I wanted it, just to make it format better. So now all you have to do is download. So what I will say is potentially you can add what type of channel you use, but I'm just using mine as my weekly upload so people know where I upload now. And you can always go in and edit it the way you like to. So this is just a basic tutorial. So you go into YouTube, go to customize channel, go into branding, and then you change your image. And then you can adjust it the way you want to, but I'm pretty happy with that. And you click publish. And then view channel. Give it a minute to update.
Do you feel stuck?
Okay, so there is my banner change. What I would make adjustments is I would make this weekly episodes a little bit smaller, add what my channel's about, but keep everything else the way it is. Maybe bring Miss Kiff over here and then have my logo over here, my Kiff Media Hub logo over here, which is absolutely fine. You can make arrangements, but the structure is perfect the way it is. So yeah, that's how you create a YouTube banner. Okay, that's it. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe, and additionally, if you want to see more Canva tutorials, let me know in the description below. Perhaps you want to know how to make a YouTube thumbnail. Link it down below. Until the next one. And as well, I have a series every Monday on my YouTube channel called Empower Social Strategy, where I answer your digital marketing questions. Please do look in the link in the description below, as I have a Google Forms for you to fill it in, and then you can be featured on my next video. Till the next one.